Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English 2 class. Okay, we in the first video we have seen about chapter 3 Orpheus, the Greek musician. This story is taken from Greek mythology. Till up to where I have taught, we have seen that Orpheus, the son of Apollo, he was the god. Apollo was the god of music, and Orpheus was son of Apollo. He was born with music in his blood. Okay, and he married Eurydice, and since the snake had bitten Eurydice, she died, and he was very sad due to that. And he decided that he will go to the kingdom of Hades, that is the land of dead, and Hades was the ruler of that land. Okay, so he decided that he will go there and he will win his heart through his music. Okay, through his enchanting music, and he will ask to return him back his beloved wife, okay, to come along with him to the earth. So now let us see what had happened next. So Hades was so touched by Orpheus's grief that he agreed to send Eurydice back to earth. Now this Hades was the ruler of the land of dead. Okay, Eurydice has already died, and Orpheus was so much sad, seeing his sadness, seeing his grief. Hades agreed that he will send Eurydice back to earth. He told Orpheus that Eurydice would follow him to earth, but there was one condition. Now he said that he will grant Eurydice's life to him. She will go to the earth along with him, but there is one condition. What was that condition? Orpheus should not look back until he had left the gates of Hades and entered the gates of earth. So Orpheus, while moving out from the gates of Hades, that is the land of the dead, he should not look back that Eurydice is coming at his back or not. Okay, he should not look back until he enters the gate of the earth. Okay, so this was the condition, that Orpheus should not look back until he reaches the gates of earth, until he enters the gates of earth. Okay, now let us see what he did. Orpheus was overjoyed. Okay, he was very happy that he was granted the life of his wife. So he thanked Hades and went out of the court of Hades. So he thanked him, and then he went out of the court of Hades. The road was dark, silent, and lonely. Eurydice stealthily followed him. So Eurydice was silently following him, since Orpheus was instructed not to look back, so he cannot look back to see whether she is coming or not. And she was silently following him. She walked so lightly that Orpheus was in doubt whether she was behind him. She was walking so lightly that Orpheus doubted that she is coming behind him or not. So gradually they reached the gates of Hades. They reached the gates of Hades, but till then they did not enter the gates of earth. Just as they were about to step out, Orpheus made the mistake of looking back. Okay, as he was stepping out of the gates of Hades, and Hades had instructed him that don't look back until you enter the gates of the earth. So as he was stepping out, at that time he made the mistake. He looked back to ensure whether Eurydice was following him or not. He was thinking that whether she is coming or not, let me see before entering the gates of earth. So he saw her, but as he stretched his hand to hold her, Eurydice was not there. So he has broken the promise which he had given to Hades, that he will not look back, but he looked back. One condition was kept in front of him and he could not fulfill that condition. He was told not to look back until they reached the gate of the earth, but he looked back to ensure that whether she is coming or not. And while he was stepping out of the gates of Hades, he looked back and he saw that Eurydice was there. Okay, he stretched his hand to hold her, but then she was not there. She just disappeared. Okay, Orpheus was dumbfounded. He ran back to follow her, but in vain. Orpheus was dumbfounded. Dumbfounded means what? Means shocked and speechless. Okay, dumbfounded means shocked and speechless. So he was very shocked because he did not fulfill the condition and he lost his wife. Okay, so he ran back to follow her, but in vain. But it did not work. This time he was refused entry into Hades. Okay, this time he was not allowed to enter the gates of Hades. Dismayed. Dismayed means what? Loss of courage. Shattered means upset. And inconsolable means not able to be comforted. Now Orpheus returned to earth. Orpheus now lost all his hope that he will get back his wife. He returned back to earth. He was dismayed, he was shattered, he was inconsolable, and he returned back to earth. He felt lost without his beloved wife. Okay, he felt lost without his beloved wife. He went around the forest playing his lyre and singing sad songs. The trees, the hills, the rivers, the birds, and the animals were his audience. So he now lost his wife forever. Okay, now he went to the forest playing on his lyre and singing sad songs, and the trees, the hills, the rivers, and the birds and the animals were his audience. Finally, O fool and forlorn, he too died. Finally, O fool and forlorn means what? Full of sorrow. Forlorn means sad, lonely, and isolated. He was alone, he was sad, he was lonely, he was full of sorrow. So, how long can he live like that? So, finally, he too died. His body was found floating in the sea. His body was found floating in the sea and he was buried at the foot of Mount Olympus. Okay, so he was buried at the foot of Mount Olympus. Legend has it that the sweet voiced nightingale sing over his grave even today. So it is said that even today the sweet voiced nightingales sing over his grave even today. Okay, so Orpheus, though dead, his name shall always be remembered by musicians and true lovers in all the ages to come. Since he was a great musician, so his name will be remembered by all musicians and the true lovers of all the ages. Okay, so this is the end of our chapter. So we have seen what we have learned from here, that we should not break others' promises. Whatever promise we make, we should not break it. And the condition that was kept before him, he should not have looked back. He made that mistake and he lost his wife. So promises should be kept. Okay, this is what we have learned from here, and this is the end of our chapter. You will write these 3 meanings also in your copy. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the question answers. Okay, till then I am showing you the questions. You just try to find out the questions answers and I will discuss with you in the next video. Okay, so these are the questions. You try to find out. This is your homework. Okay, so till then, goodbye. Thank you. and take care, children.